You clicked on this video for a reason. To fix Dota 2 getting stuck on the loading screen so you can actually load into matches instead of force closing every time. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the fixes that work right now and the ones most players skip. First, verify your game files. Open Steam. Right-click Dota 2. Go to Properties. Installed Files. Verify integrity. Corrupted files after updates are the most common reason Dota 2 hangs on load, and this fixes it more than anything else. Next, clear bad configs and launch junk. Disable any custom launch options. Then rename your Dota 2 config folder so the game generates fresh settings on launch. Old graphics or resolution configs can freeze the game before the map finishes loading. Now deal with overlays and background hooks. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, NVIDIA/AMD overlays, and any screen recorders. Dota 2 can stall during map load when overlays hook into the engine at the wrong time. If it still sticks, update your GPU drivers and restart your PC. Dota 2 is very sensitive to driver mismatches, especially after major patches. One outdated driver can lock the loading screen without throwing an error. Network issues can cause this too. Disable VPNs, restart your router, and make sure your firewall isn't blocking Steam or Dota 2 traffic. Connection stalls often look like infinite loading. Pro tip: switch to borderless windowed mode once you can access settings. Exclusive full screen is a known cause of loading, hangs on some systems. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your PC specs and where it freezes, and I'll help you fix it.